Yo, what's up, guys? Stringing that Arizona T, Hager North. Where you at? What are we doing today, Petey?
We are.
I would have brought you one, Petey, but I didn't know.
Nah.
Well, I only had one.
Nah. We are headed to my house right now to take off the alternator of my 1993 Chevy Silverado 1500, 350, 5 point, or what is it? 5.7?
5.7.
5.7.
Yeah,
I switched the alternator on that bitch.
Bro, dozer power.
And that's what we're up to right now. We're just headed home.
Hell yeah. Guys, we're putting gas, but I see this nice Mercedes diesel car right here. It's a diesel, right? It's nice, bro. Old school Mercedes. What year is it? 90, 91? 81. It's an 81, bro. Super nice. Wow, guys, they're building, what is it, a church, Petey?
I think it's a church.
Man, looks like a castle, bro. Holy moly, man. We just got here to my homie's house. We're gonna change the alternator, guys. And that's about it, right, Petey?
Yep. Pretty much.
It's like, what is it, like 100 and something? We had some munchies.
110.
It's 110. I got me a protein bar, guys. These are awesome right here. I got me 2 of those. The shroud right now, guys, what we're doing. My homie's putting air in it. It's flat, right?
Yeah, but I'm already almost up. I've been parked here for like 3 days, man.
So we can get that easy out of the way. I'm using a 10 mil. Now that we got the shroud out, guys, we can like have room to work now. Man, that shot doesn't give you no room at all. Hell no. We got the tension pulley. I forgot the breaker bar, guys, so we can like put tension on the tension pulley so we can take off the belt, because we got to get to the alternator. So I think I'm gonna just use a big wrench. That's, yeah.
Play it, Sam. Song S-O-N-G-I spelling. Work again. First rhythm.
Alright, guys, once you take out the what is this, like, what is it, the lyre in the back, Petey? The ground?
Which one? Yeah, the ground.
It's red.
Oh, no, that's
the live wire.
live, yeah.
This is the live wire, guys, that connect to right here. And this one was a 1.5. The other one was a 10 millimeter. That went right here. And I think these were 10 too for the shroud. Down here.
Here's your alternator.
And what I like to do, guys, is put the bolts back where they go, like this. This one you can just go right there. It doesn't have to go all the way in, but. And I got all the other bolts up here. Sick. This one goes to this one right here. This third one goes right here. The one in the middle goes here. This one goes here, and so forth. I just keep my bolts like in order to keep them like where they go and stuff, so they go in much smoother. You're not like messing up the threads or nothing like that. But it is super hot here. This one smells. I bet you this one smells good.
I like the chip. Oh, this one smells good.
Ooh, that one smells good. That new alternator,
Hey, my uncle's the one that gets me all the parts here, man. He's at Osborne right there on Veterans.
Bobby, it's for you.
It's for me?
new alternator, guys. Thanks to O'Reilly's. Alright guys, we got the new alternator. So nice brand new alternator. The guy tried to screw you over, huh, Petey?
Oh, trying to screw me over. They couldn't find the part. Had to fight him for a little bit.
O'Reilly, man. Come on, O'Reilly.
Step up.
Let's see. Yeah. The last time I took it off like this, bro.
Oh yeah, because you got to slide it thing.
Damn, that's why I needed to bring my soft mallet.
You didn't, oh yeah, you didn't bring it.
The bag of tricks, bro. I don't know we're gonna need all the tricks. You got your big old hand, guys. You can use that. Ow. Anything, Petey? Ow. Hold on, where's the bolt? Let's put the bolt in there first. And you get the tool bag. Oh man. What the hell?
What?
No, I'm trying to find the bolt. It was a 10 mil. You got Japanese bolts? You got JDM bolts, bro? My homies got JDM bolts, guys. We got that JDM and that Chevy. We need a Phillips. It's because we're trying to like.
No.
Damn, this might be too long. But we're gonna try to line it, guys, so we can put the bolt in there. That's what we're doing right now. That's too big, Petey.
Oh, I know what
It's too big, brother. For us. Chinga. Damn, it's fucking, this fucking thing doesn't let it go anymore. Phew, there needs to be this thin, way.
Okay.
You gonna put on the gloves?
I'll put on the gloves, dude.
Oh shit.
Trying
He's putting on the gloves to get dirty
to get down and
with the alternator.
Trying to get down and
Oh
dirty
shit.
with my body.
You're trying to get down and dirty with the alternator. Motherfucker just stops there.
Here, just take off the bolt first.
Nah, we need. Hold on. Got an idea.
Down and dirty.
Got it. I think I got it.
Tell me you made me put on the fucking gloves for nothing.
Petey, you might have done that. My homie put on the gloves for nothing.
I put on the gloves for nothing.
That's okay. Wait, this goes in the back, right? Where did I take out that boat from? From the back, right?
I didn't see you, bitch.
I know. I got it recorded, Petey. That's the only thing I forgot. Because it's not.
No way you can't, cuz.
It's not going no more. I think it goes on the back. Well, we lined it up. Yeah, it doesn't go anymore. It goes in the back. Amateur, bro. You see, guys? I'm gonna leave that in there so you guys can see. You think we know this stuff? Man, you know we don't know this stuff. You're learning as I'm learning, as we're all learning. Right, Petey?
We're all learning, dog.
We're all fucking learning here. I ain't no master mechanic. I'd have a shop if I was.
We're just working on our cars.
It's YouTubers, brah.
There you go. It slipped right in there.
Which side was that down
Which one? The cover?
Nah, this one?
5/8 though?
Was it? It was, right? Then you're gonna put on the. You're gonna take a, what is it? For this, what year is this truck? A 93?
Yeah.
5.7. This is a 5/8, guys, for the tension pulley. Takes them out. Good to use a breaker bar, guys.
Look, we would have brought it there, dog.
I know, but wait, this works too, Vato? It works perfectly, bro.
Yes, sir, it sure did.
And that's how you change the alternator on a 1993. What is a Chevy Silverado 1500. Shroud, get the shroud, Petey. Man, guys, I'm sunburned. Look at me. Sunburned bad. Oh, what is it, like 105?
Today? I'm not sure. I can check it out right now, though. Let's see.
There's a way it goes in. Oh, baby. When you hit it, you need to come more over here. There we go. And then number 3 goes right here. Trying to do this with one hand. These are 10 millimeters. So yeah, I'm just gonna bolt all that up, bolt all this up, and that's it. It's already on, Petey. Ooh, my homie found a diamond. Ooh! Damn, son, that scared the shit out of me. Hold on, don't turn it on yet. My hands are in the way. Ow! Ah, freaking, one of those wires just went in my freaking finger. All right, turn it on. Hold on. Hold on. You make sure everything's tightened, guys. Everything's good. Hold on, Petey. All the shrouds on there. All right, turn it on. Oh, the battery's dead. Damn it. So we're gonna charge the battery right now. We just charged it, guys, for like an hour on. Right now we charged it actually for like what, like 5 minutes. We charged it on like 40 amps, but for the hour we did it on 10 amps, 12 volts. They're both the same. It should turn on, right, Petey? Why no enthusiasm? Ooh. We just brought the battery back. We brought it back from my house. It's already charged, so it should turn on. It's going to turn on. Turn on, Petey. See what it does. What was it doing before? It wouldn't turn on? Hell yeah. But it's running real good. Ooh, at 5.7, baby. Hell yeah, man. And that's how you change an alternator, guys, on a 93 5.7 Chevy Silverado. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.